Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hi, it's Raj. This is the unboxing of the MI Clear screen guard which I bought from mi.com. I will also demonstrate how to apply the clear screen guard in this video. The package consists of 2 units of clear screen guard and a practice film. So this one is for the Redmi 5. The price varies for different phones. So let's check what's inside. Okay, there are some instructions, 2 screen guards, and the practice film with the application kit. So you can see it is clearly written practice film. The cleaning cloth, removal tabs, and dust removal sticker. Okay, so let's apply the practice film. Removing the old screen guard, wiping the screen with the cleaning cloth, clearing dust with dust sticker. For perfection, you should do this in dust-free environment. Now peel off the number 1 side of the screen guard. Align the screen guard on the phone and pull off the number 1 side. Remove any air bubbles by squeezing. Now remove the number 2 side of the screen guard. You can use the removal tab for realigning or removing the dust or fibers that crawled in. It's perfectly done. Similarly, you can apply the actual screen guards as demonstrated in this video. Hope the video was useful. Peace.